Hey guys, welcome back with another video of the Excel tutorial series. In this video, we will see how to highlight duplicates in Microsoft Excel. As you can see our dataset. It is a simple dataset in which we have ID, names and department of employees. And we have some duplicated rows here, like I have ID 101 occurring 2 times, then 108 occurring 2 times. So it can be in any order, and whenever you are working in a large data set, it's a really hectic task to actually pick up the duplicates by just looking at the data. So what will we do here? First of all, the first step in highlighting the duplicates is that you need to actually pick up a unique key for your data. For example, there should always be a column that must be unique for every instance of the data. In my case, it's ID, and like in the next steps, I will perform the formula on this ID column. So the second step is that you need to create a new column on the right side of your data set. I will call it as duplicated flag. It will tell me the occurrence of the data, like if particular instance of ID is occurring like once or twice in the data, and I will catch the duplicates with the help of this duplicated flag. So the next step is to apply the formula, the COUNTIF formula. Now I will apply the COUNTIF formula. I will say COUNTIF. Then I will give the entire range of the IDs. And I will press the F4 button on my keyboard to give it absolute referencing. Because whenever my formula is copied to the other cells, it does not create. So whenever I press enter, it will give me the duplication number of it, as like KT101 is occurring twice in the data. So I will catch the duplicates with the help of this. I will copy the formula to the entire data. So it will give me the number for the occurrence of the each data value in the data set. So now what to do? Now I have to sort the data in order of increasing duplicated flag value. So this is my next step. I'll just select the entire data, go to sort and filter option and click on custom sort. Then we'll sort by the duplicated flag value and smallest to largest. I click OK. Data is sorted in the order of increasing duplicated values. And the data for which the duplicated values 1 is actually unique, and for the 2, it is actually being duplicated. It's occurring twice, and if it's more than 1, it's mean the data is duplicated. So now I will apply conditional formatting on this one. I will just select the duplicated flag value and conditional formatting. I will just click on highlight cell rules and greater than, and then I will give the value here of 1. If the value is greater than 1, then you should highlight with this color. You can change the colors as well. So it's up to you, and you'll press OK. Now these basically, I can highlight these rows as well. These actually 4 rows, you can consider them as duplicated rows. So now you can either delete these rows or just keep them aside while performing the analytics. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the Excel tutorial series, please give it a thumbs up, and we will be back with another video. Thank you. Have a good day.